Good Wednesday morning to you. Yesterday we had a round of some stronger storms make its way through the area. We had some hail, gusty winds, heavy rainfall, even a couple isolated tornadoes off to the east. This was a picture we got sent in yesterday comparing a hailstone to a lemon there. So some bigger hailstones that came down that is now out of our area. We're just dealing with the remnants of it today as we have another risk by the time we get to the afternoon. Let's go ahead and get right into the forecast here. This is our temperatures right now. Kind of a mild start to the day. 61 in Colorado Springs, 64 in Pueblo, and 66 in Walsenburg. And this is what it's looking like outside. Not too bad of a start of the morning. We're slowly but surely working up the sun. There's a couple clouds in Monument, but we're into the upper 50s on this Hydrix reading. Looking at a couple other spots, Pueblo, same story. Not a bad start to the day. You're seeing a nice sunrise off into the distance, but there is a bit of some cloud cover to start into the mid 60s on the Discount Motors camera. Satellite and radar showing us other areas that we don't have cameras for. You can notice a swath of clouds off to the eastern plains and then that severe activity off into Kansas. But it's a quiet start to the day here in southern Colorado. Now zooming you out to the national scene, I'll show you the why behind the weather and the atmospheric setup that we can expect for today. We're still under the influence of this ridge, mostly high pressure that will keep things on the warmer side. But as we go in time for the rest of this afternoon, take a look at what happens. This is the pattern evolution. You'll notice that ridge subtly breaks down, and as it does, we get this westerly wind flow. We get a couple kinks in the height lines. Those kinks in the height lines are what will kick up some energy. When you combine that with the moisture that's continuing to pool at the surface, that gives us a risk for some severe storms. So dew points, the measure of low-level moisture into the 50s, that's enough for us to have another risk out in place. Notice here, this is along the interstate just west, with the most potent area being outside the Denver metro area into the north and east parts of Colorado. So just something to keep in mind as we go through the stormcast for today. So today's going to start very similar to yesterday, where we saw a lot of sunshine to start. As we advance this in time and get to the middle points of the morning, you'll notice a lot of clearing here, a lot of sunshine. It actually starts really nice. And then by the time we get past lunchtime, we'll start to build in a couple of clouds, a couple blips onto the forecast into the mountain regions and maybe in the Pikes Peak region. But right about this time is where we'll hit our high temperature for the day. We'll be into the low 80s in Colorado Springs, 88 in Pueblo and 85 in Walsenburg. It's after we get that daytime heating here, after our high temperatures occur, that we start to get those storms into the forecast. So Stormcast advancing it where we left off. You'll notice a lot more activity starts to come onto the board. Most of it is outside the Denver metro, but this could be over the Palmer Divide as well. A couple thunderstorms along the interstate. As it tracks towards the east, we have another round of some stronger storms that could develop. Same modes of severe weather on the board for today in terms of the impacts. Could see some gusty winds up to very large hail, an isolated tornado. Wind again is going to be afternoon through the bedtime hours. I don't think we go into the overnight once again for today. Now looking ahead for tomorrow, we'll be into the 80s once again in Colorado Springs, 87 in Pueblo, 86 in Canyon City, kind of taking off the extreme heat over the next 2 days. But then again, we have another day with some severe storms that are on tap. This is for Thursday in pretty similar areas. And we've been saying it all week long. This whole week has featured daily afternoon shower and storm chances, and that's remained consistent through the end of the week, with the weekend still being on the drier side. And by the time we get to the weekend, upper 90s in Pueblo, Canyon City, going to be very hot out there and pretty breezy, low 80s in the Woodland Park area. And then we add the chances back on as we go into next week. Colorado Springs, same deal here in terms of the 7-day forecast. We'll see some afternoon showers and storms over the next few, some of which could be on the severe side. The weekend does shape up to be pretty nice. Into the 10-day forecast, this is what we're watching right now, into the upper 80s and low 90s by this time next week. Alrighty, that's a check. It's your forecast update for this Wednesday. Your sports